So in a few minutes, let me show you how I achieved this simple flyer design with my smartphone. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I drop an interesting video like this. Now let's get started. The first thing I did, you come over to your background and then change the background color to white. So now let's get the exact size I used for this design. Come over to background, click on from gallery, then come over to your gallery here, come over here and select that design. So that's how you get the particular size. So this is it. Change it to white. This is it. 1023 times 1280. So the next thing I did, let me import this picture I used. So come over here. This is my gallery and this is my design resources. So now let's get the picture. Let's get the particular picture I used for the design. So this is the picture. Oh, where is this picture? So let me pause the video and then get the picture. So here is the picture I used. Then import this picture. Let me resize this to 100 so I can get the exact size I used. So adjust this picture. Something like this. Something like this. So just go to color filter, change it to black and white, then go to shadow, increase it, change the color to white, blur radius to 0, and then go to offset X and change it to, let's say, 15, like this. So go ahead and lock up the picture. So the next thing I did here was, let me lock this too, then come over to import. So I went to Facebook and I just took a screenshot of this. So let's go to screenshots. So this is it. So I'll crop it like this, or let's retake a screenshot of this rather. Oh, it's already 201k. Okay, let's use the other screenshot I took. So let's use this rather. So let me disable my, so come over here and adjust this like this. Don't worry, we'll fix this. Come over to erase, and then erase this here. Then come over here. I want to show you step by step how I achieved the whole design from the scratch. So come over here and erase this like this. This is how I achieved this. So I will reduce the size like this, and let's disable this flyer. So I'll take it to back like this. So as you can see, this is 199k. So I have to change it to 200k because when I took this screenshot it was 199k. So I'll just zoom in like this, then I'll erase this 199. So this is it. Then I'll come over to text and I'll write 200k, something like this. So I'll just change the color. Okay, let's leave the color. I'll go to font and I'll change the font to, you can decide to use this font. So just select the font like this. So follow me carefully, and this video is going to take too long, but I just want to show you everything. So just come over to size, reduce the size, just adjust it. You know what to do already. Yeah. So go to opacity and reduce it, something like this. So you can, or let me change the font to this rather. Yeah, this is better. So I come to opacity and then increase it, or maybe go to color and then change the color to black, something like this. So that's that for that. Next thing I did, just lock up. Next thing I did, let me import this cloud stuff I used. Let me import it. So this is the cloud effect. So you can join my graphic design class. I'll be teaching you how to get this and many more resources, how to get them for free. So something like this. Then you can go to relative, okay, color filter, then let's go to opacity and reduce it. Though I might not achieve the same thing, but I just want to show you how I achieved something similar. So let's lock this, then come over to this first one, go over to opacity and then reduce it like this. So as you can see. Let's leave it at 20. Then come over to this 200k, also reduce the opacity to blend with the other stuffs. So I guess something like this is not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, something similar. So let me import this stuff. So all these resources, I got them online, and it's very, very simple. So let me import this stuff. Import it like this. Reduce the size. So I imported this stuff, took it here, then I'll bring it on top of this like this. You can reduce the size, change the perspective, and that was how I achieved this stuff. Then I can copy it just to beautify the design. Copy it and then place it somewhere here. As you can see, I can also copy it and keep it here. I guess something like this is not bad. It's not bad. So go ahead and lock it up so you're not tamper with it. So lock this. Yeah. So the next thing I did, let me import this text effect I did. So I achieved this text effect with Photopea. So if in case you don't have a laptop, you can still achieve this particular text effect using Photopea. So just import it like this, align it, then you can go ahead and lock it up. So let me write thank you. So this is the font I used. I'm sorry, go over to font. Then the name of the font is orthography. This is it. So next thing, let me import this tone paper. This video is already getting longer, so come over to gallery, my resources, then let me show you the particular tone paper I used for that. So this is it. Rotate it like this. Oh sorry, come over to rotate it like this. I guess 90. Then change the color to white, then adjust it until it fits the screen. Place it like this, and then I'll take it behind this text effect, something like this. I'll also take it behind these stuffs, then I can go ahead and lock it up. So we are achieving something very similar. So I copied this text effect, copied it like this, then rotate it, and I placed it somewhere here. This is just to beautify the design, nothing much. So copy it and place it here. Also take it behind like this. So this is it. So the next thing I did was, let me import this stuff I used. So this is one of the stuffs I used for this design. Import it, then place it somewhere here. Maybe reduce the size to something smaller, so you can go ahead and write. I'm just trying to rush it for the sake of this video. I'm just trying to rush it, so you can just align the three of these. Align it like this, and then go ahead and lock it up. Then lock this as well. So the next thing I did, let me import this stuff I wrote, Facebook followers. So this is the stuff I use. As you can see, this is brown in color, but you have to blend it to fit in. I mean, you have to blend the color, so you can adjust it till it gets to blue. So this is it. You can leave it like this. Go over to saturation. I think I'm getting something similar. So this is it. So come over here, place it, then go to relative position and align it. So you can come over to this place, then type Facebook followers and change the color to, okay, let's change the color to this. Then come over to fonts. I use this particular font, this same font. So I don't like using too many fonts for my designs. I can go with 1 or 2 fonts, at most 3 fonts, but let it not exceed that. So come over to curve, place it like this, and then come over to size, increase the size. Yes, something like this. Oh, this video is getting longer and longer, so align it properly, align. So the next thing I did, okay, let me import this grain effect. Oh, I forgot something. Come over to this place, copy it, take it behind the image. Take it behind the image like this. Place it like this. So I can go over to this place and I'll lock up all the elements I've used. Lock everything up. So this is it. So the next thing, let me import this grain effect I used. I also downloaded this grain effect online. So come over to gallery, my design resources. Come over here until you find it. So this is it. So I'll increase the size to fit the screen. Let me hide this, lock this up, and then I'll change the opacity to 15. Yeah, so I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. So after doing your design like this, the next thing is go ahead, save your design as PNG Ultra. Then after saving it, you can go to Lightroom and do the final retouch. So try this out and let me know if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. This is my story. This is my show.